Good evening, guys. Let's start with our session with the explanation of stop loss hunting. For that, first of all, we need to use the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. For that, after using the 15 minutes time frame, we don't know that we from here you can see here there is a breakout and you can have been taken a trade. You don't know where to keep stop loss, so few people keep stop loss here, and few people will be think that where should I keep my stop loss, how many points should I take for the stop loss. That and all will be confused for so many people. So for that, we can use one indicator. From based on that indicator, we can use the stop loss. For that, choosing of an indicator to keep a stop loss, we go for the indicator section. Just go and search here ATR, average true indicator. You can see that in the below section ATR. So what it indicates, it is showing whenever I'm moving the chart, volatility average of the previous stocks, and how many points should I keep the stop loss in case have been taken a trade over here. Okay, I don't know how much points should I keep a stop loss for that. And for there, I can see here 80 points. So from here, to 80 points, 36,500. So 36,420, we can keep the stop loss. I mean 80 points stop loss and 160 points target. Easily it has been achieved in the yesterday session. So if you go for here, just help to keep the volatility index. Just if you go here, we are in the sell mode. Just it has been, we are think that we have to keep selling mode. Selling section, we go for here. We go for here, and you can go for just drag to here, and you can keep here 77 points SL, 79 points. You take a trade here, 79 points, and almost 140 SL target. Almost target has been achieved. Same ways, we can go to the backwards and you have to back test the data. So then you can get an idea of either it is working or not. You will get an idea. First, we need to see here. See where my mouse is mousing. See from it as when you take a trade here. So you get an idea for that. Next, we'll go for previous. Wherever you go, you can see here. Just don't see the graphs where it moving and all. It's different. You just see the value where it is 80 or 86, 87, 77, 78, 90. It's moving right. Based on that, we have to keep the stop loss. It doesn't indicate that either go upside or downside. If you take a trade, how many points we need to keep a stop loss, that only the useful of this indicator. And how to take a trade, breakouts, trades, that and all been explained in the previous sessions. That is ABC and Fib retracement and stock selection method, stock selling methods. We have been explained in the 0 to hero function. So you can understand the concepts in that. So it's completely, you can see here, you can randomly if you go for the stocks, it will be different. Yes. Okay, we didn't find any ABC pattern here. We are go for the year, and we have to keep a 7-point threshold. See, if you come to here, it is a negative candle. It has, when you draw this is a resistance. When it comes to here, we come here and we can keep the 7 points SL. So there will be, after here we keep SL here. So 1:2, 14 points is our target. 1:2 almost easily has been achieved. That's the basis. It has been working. And if we go for axis, it's completely Sir, can you repeat it? Yes, I can repeat the same thing. If you come to the Axis Bank, okay, we are in the year. It's been the range. How to draw support and resistance in previous class, please do watch, because it's related to previous classes. So only I'm saying again and again, do watch the previous class, and then you can understand these concepts. That's the reason. So we have drawn this line. This is, we call it as the resistance. From resistance, we think that there will be a negative candle and we have to take a trade. We have to execute the trade based on the volume. We have executed the trade here 681, and we have to keep the stop loss at 683. There is no stop loss. It 1:2 target has been hit. So based on these numbers, you can keep the stop loss for the, we can book the good profits. This is the indicator we can use for the keep the stop loss. And whenever it's moving, we have to trail our stop loss. We need to trail the stop loss. Once we keep stop loss here 1:1 target is achieved, then we can keep the stop, trail the stop loss. I can draw and you can understand. So if the stock is moving slow like this, so you have been purchased here and you have been keep the stop loss here. Once 1:1 target is achieved, when the stock is moving here, we need to trail this SLP here. When this is moved to this place, we need to trail the stop loss. Likewise, we need to book the trailing stop loss. This is how we can keep the trailing stop loss, so you can understand the thing. And if you go for the Nifty as well, Nifty, most of the people will be charted in the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So if you go for the Nifty, we for that this we must know the support and resistance concepts. That's why I've been explained in the previous video. The video is available in the YouTube, so you can go through there and you can watch it out. And after watching again, I can upload this video in the YouTube. After watching that video only, you can understand this concept. If I say anything, you won't understand anything as of now. So please watch that videos, okay? So this is the resistance zone. If we come to 1680 is the resistance zone. If we come to here, we can sell the here and there will be showing 32 points. We have been sold this, sold the thing, sold here, and we can keep the stop loss here based on the ATR indicator 25 points. So who have been joined as of now, you can see the video in the YouTube. I can't explain again and again. So you can see the video. I've been uploading in the YouTube and the link will be shared in the YouTube. Okay. So based on this, we need to work out. For that, we must know the support and resistance lines. Based on this movement, and if we take a sell trade here, how many points keep the SL is 25 points. 25 points we need to keep the SL, and 50 points is our target. So our target has been achieved easily. So that basis it's gonna be work out. And we have, after this session, we'll go for the doubt session, so you can understand the concept. And so if we go for any chart, so if you go for so long, no issue. Wherever you go, just keep here. This is the resistance. If you take a trade, how many points keep SL? Keeping SL is the important thing. For that, you can choose here wherever you go, the levels, the changing is values. So some people, it's only used for keep the SL. So मैं क्या बोलना सकता है कि I don't know Hindi. I'll try my best. Some people are asking in the chat, so I'll try in Hindi. Okay, just इसके just by watching इसको लिए हम, so oh, sorry guys, I can't. So by watching this, we need to keep based on the movement of the SL. Just it indicates only the SL points. It's based on completely volume and volatility index. So you can go anywhere, you can see the values will be different. If you take a trade, you need to keep the stop loss SL based on this point. So that makes useful. You can go with any Nifty, Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty points will be more because of more volatility. This video will be uploaded in YouTube also. You can watch out over there. 15 minutes time frame is very important. Time frame is very important, guys. Please understand the concept first. 15 minutes time frame is very important thing. So based on that, if we take a trade on this here, based on trade here, so we have been breakout here, and if we come to this, if we come to this level, see the level is 80 points. Here we have to take 72 points. Bank Nifty, we always choose the higher points. In Bank Nifty, we can choose more higher points will be available in that. So always it will be how to identify. Yes. Based on that confirmation, okay. Fake breakout. If it is the further fake breakout, you must understand the support and resistance. If support, this is the, if you consider it as a, this is a support, okay. If you consider it as this is a support, it breaks one candle, we take it as, we take a buy action here, and we can keep stop loss here, and based on ATR values we can keep stop loss, and we can execute the trade in that. So you can understand the concept. So this is how we can keep the ATR. Okay, this is the concept of this, and we can go with the doubt session. So people will ask the doubts, and I can clear the doubts in the live chat of the ATR, and you can also whatever you doubts facing in the ATR or trading anything, you can ask me. I can answer your all doubts. Okay, I can unmute one by one. You can ask me your doubts. I can explain you slowly one by one. Yes, I have been unmuted. You can unmute and you can ask me the doubts, or you can ask in the chat. I can answer your doubts. Doubt session.